Hey, welcome back, YouTube fans. So for our ceiling, we have chose to use JM Go board, and the reasoning for that had to do with its fast installation because it's fairly light or ultra lightweight, easy to cut, very similar to drywall, and it's waterproof. So this is a fiber type board. The innards are some type of foam. It is not drywall material, and in fact it's super light. So as you can see, we're kind of getting it put up. And neat trick, what we figured out here, if you just put those, there's no power in the building right now, you see, if you just unscrew those screws just a wee bit, and as opposed to using those other things and trying to find them online, you just unscrew those a little bit, put the board in place, push it up. It'll leave impressions where those screws are, so that you can take one of these and just put it directly on there. Draw your circle of where you need to cut. Cut it with a drywall knife. And that turned out to be the pretty easy item right there without creating big holes or a bunch of damaged stuff that we're going to have to fix up. So this one here, we also did the same. It's sharp on all corners. We just pushed up on that, set it down on the ground, and cut it out. I don't know if anybody has a better way of doing that without using those plastic things and they punch straight through, and you use a what are those, like a Dremel or router or something to cut the holes. I mean, obviously, if you're a professional construction person, that's one thing, but this is kind of what we're doing here. And then what we do is we draw a little line in place where we're going to put our screws, where the studs are, as we mark where the studs are, and it makes it easy, so we always hit that instead of something else. So, all right, I'm going to finish putting these screws up. You probably want to go slower.
Oh,
Pull the trigger less. And pop it from behind. See, just like that. And then this little trim area here. Here, record this. Let me trim. That's it. And measuring 18 inches in. Panel's 3 foot wide. And we're just going to build another one here. And we're going to use that one vibrating saw for all those hurricane ties right there.
Hold on, stay there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications on new videos.